Welcome to today's video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make money from home using eBay. Alright, so stick around. We're going to get started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you an easy way today to make money on eBay, using eBay as the platform. And as you know, eBay is a pretty popular site and gets lots of traffic. Alright, first of all, if you've been here to my videos before, or you're new to my videos and my channel and you have not yet subscribed yet, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, okay, which we do fairly regularly here. Also, my name is Kevin Lehner, and what we do here at this channel and on these videos is we show how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, any way to make money online videos to help you out, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you as well. Okay? Alrighty guys, great. With all that out of the way now, let's get right on in on today's video here and show you how to make easy money from home. Alright, so as I said, we're going to be using eBay. So if we come over here, if I click on my browser and we come over to eBay here, and everybody's familiar with eBay, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do here in eBay is in the search engine here, we're going to type in ebooks and see how many people are selling ebooks, right? And as you can see, there's all kinds of them, and 18,640 results came up here. There's all kinds of people selling ebooks. Here's one right here for pizza recipes that sold 306 of them right there. 306 items sold for just 99 cents. So take 306 and multiply that by 99, you get an idea of about how much money they've made just on that product alone. Alright, and as you scroll down here, you can see there's others, like here's a whole ebooks package collection. Ebooks are just, you know, PDF format books like Adobe Reader or Adobe PDF readers where you can read what's called ebooks. It's just an electronic book, and most of them are downloadable products, you know. And so there's no shipping cost, there's no back office or any kind of customer service you have to worry about or anything like that. Now, you can offer refunds, of course. If somebody doesn't like the ebook, you can offer a refund to them. I suppose if you want to do that. I mean, some people do, some don't on here, I noticed. All right, but you can see there's quite a few down through here where people are selling ebooks. And here's one for 65 has been sold for 6 gigabyte ebook collection. It's a package of all kinds of ebooks. You can get them with resale rights, master resale rights, and so on and so forth. What they're using is PLR ebooks. What does PLR stand for? PLR is private label rights ebooks, and they come with different terms, which I'll show you here in a moment. They come with different terms for different meanings. Like you have master resale rights, PLR rights, and a lot of different other types of things that you can do with ebooks. There are terms in the ebooks that you get that things you can do and things you can't do, which I'll show you guys here in just a moment. Now, but continuing on here, you see that people are just selling these ebooks for about $1 a pop. All right, all kinds of different ebooks on here. Here's one, there's 65 sold here at $1 even for The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. 37 sold with 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And let's see here. 61 sold of The Catcher in the Rye in an ebook format. And it goes on and on and on. And 91 sold here of the 300,000 ebook collection. Ebooks are something that you can do a lot with. You can use it as a link, as a free gift in your giveaway. Like if you're trying to capture someone's email address, You give it away as a free link bait. A lot of other things that you can do with ebooks and types of marketing in selling ebooks and so on and so forth. A lot of times ebooks are used as giveaway products in as lead magnets. You know, when you're trying to get someone to put in their email address, a lot of times they're used for that. Or you can do one other thing, and that's bring them over here to eBay and sell them as well. And as you can see, as we go down through here, there's just all kinds of them. Here's the 48 Laws of Power. Here has been 47 sold for 99 cents a pop. A lot of other books down here for sale. 53 sold there. Buy anything wholesale. I mean, it's just, the list goes on and on and on of all kinds of ebooks that you can get. And as you can see down here, there's about at least 10 pages of it showing right here. So now, how do you get the ebooks? Okay, well, you get the ebooks from like different master readers. There's lots of them out there, but one of my favorite places to get them is IDPLRcom. If I can get it to release this here, I'll be okay. IDPLR.com, which the link is down there in the top of the description. If you want to click on that, it'll bring you right over here to this site, and you can see this. 12,500 plus PLR products. So you can see there are ebooks. They got ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, and audios as well, MP3s files. And all of these are free. A lot of them are free. They do have a paid. They have a paid products and they have free products here. So you can come here. You can sign up for free and download free ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphics, and templates that you can use and make money with these things. Okay, one of the ways I'm showing you now is through eBay here. Now, so for example, this person here, I noticed if you come back here, this book right here called Pizza Recipes, right? This person sold 306 of these at 99 cents a pop. Pizza Recipes, hot and delicious ebook PDF with full master resale rights. So where did they get this book? Well, I come over here to IDPLR, and this thing here is, there we go. And if I type in their search engine here, Pizza Recipes, I spell pizza right, I'll be in good shape. And press enter. Let's see what we come up with. Look, right here is that book. It's the same book that you see right here on eBay, right there. The same book. So you see that this person that's selling this book on eBay for 99 cents a pop came to a place like IDPLR.com and got this book, probably downloaded it for free or maybe paid a couple bucks for it, whatever, and just took the information and now is selling it on eBay. And if we click on it, and they've got to buy it now. It's not an auction. This is a straight buy it now thing. I mean, you know, after all, the price is only 99 cents, or you know, a penny less than $1 for the product. And they, of course, just like any other, as this one accepts returns. Just like any other product on eBay, it's got a description and item specifics, and it's got different. This person has a store apparently with different ebooks in it. So that's another thing too. You can have your own store on eBay and just load it up with all kinds of interesting ebooks, and people that come and buy what you have for sale on their product listing right here. You can also go and check out their store and see if there isn't some other ebooks or whatever products that you like. But anyways, you put in a description down here. These description here was obviously gotten out of the book with the package of the PLR package for this particular book right here. So if we click on it here, and it brings us here, and you can see that this book here. Now this is what I was going to tell you about earlier about the terms. Each one of these have different terms depending on whether it has master resale rights or private label rights or whatnot. And you can see here that this license is private label rights on here, but you can also convey master resale rights down here, if you see right here. Okay, and these are the things that you can do with this ebook. And then here's things that you cannot do with the ebooks that you get from IDPLR, which each ebook you click on will give you the product terms listed pretty simply down here and easy to understand. This book, you can't give it away for free, and it can't be added to any free membership websites, but it can be sold. See up here at the top? Yes, it can be sold. So that's what this person's done. This person that's running this product on eBay right here put in this information on the product and is selling it on eBay for 99 cents a pop. And this information has probably come out from the information to do with the product, because it comes with all kinds of different things with it too. You get pictures and so on and so forth to come along with the ebook and all that too. So they just put in a description here with the information and kept the colors congruent with the book, with the picture and their words, and tell a little bit about it down here, and then just listed more things about that book down through here, and then the payment and shipping and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. You can sell ebooks on eBay from IDPLR.com. You just come over here, sign up for a free account, or you can join. They do have paid accounts starting at $39 for 3 months and on up from there. And you can download any amount of ebook packages that you want on any subject that you choose. And then just take those over, set up an account on eBay, and start selling your ebooks on eBay for 99 cents, $1, some of them $1.25, just depends on what you want to put the price at. And then begin to sell those books on eBay and make easy money from home, pretty much for free. Alrighty guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's a pretty simple way to make money there. Don't forget to reach down there and subscribe to the channel and click that bell. Also, give me a thumbs up too if you like this video, and don't forget to comment down in the section below. And also, if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing business, reach down there in the description and click where it says Mentor with Kev and read that paragraph above it, the link there, and see all the bonuses that you get for checking out the business. Okay? Alrighty guys, well with that I'm going to let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Alright, bye-bye now.